Hello, welcome to Ėdo class. Ėdo Ėdo. It's been a long while. Today I'm going to be talking about the 8 consonants again. Remember, we have 8 consonants in Ėdo language, and those 8 consonants, they are GB, GH, KH, KP, MW, RH, RR, and VB. I'm quickly going to pick out 3 names for each consonant. I think that was where we stopped our Ėdo language class. And I also want to tell you that today is Good Friday. I am kickstarting my Ėdo language class for children. So I will display the address in our Ėdo community group. So you can drop your kids off. We'll start with twice a month, like fortnightly. We'll start with twice a month. But when they are on holiday fully, we'll do every Saturday. And it's only 2 hours. Either you drop your child off at 10 to 12, 2 hours, or we do 3 to 5. So that way they still have their quality time with their family. So the registration fee and how to register, I will drop the Google drop on the community group so that you can register your kids. Okay? So welcome. Why about our abo here? Na here we baby swen iwemi. O we na ya Ėdo e. Menore o mamemi igwese. Unu no Ėdo keve ebo no Ėdo. So kwa a consonant manaka mo class na yo to ma we ke ba ni we gbe so ebo where when you are teaching a class, you go back to your previous knowledge. So can you manage stop at the runner a consonant? Mana where a consonant already do no consonant do he. Man na take B, which is GB. As in you have egbe, keve, egbe, keve, egbe. Ahiagbe yoto. Spelling already na yagbo the same no so pa a diacritic ni marie yo ni ono we change ono we fear in one year where here so you only ye boy at time that ewobu ni Ėdo language na lelima neka gwazedo. We are saying that the first consonant in the Ėdo language is letters GB, which is so where you can find those GB is as in egbe or egbe. So when we say keve is a linking word which means and. Like when you say ebo no Ėdo or unu no Ėdo, keve, ebo no Ėdo. Keve is and, is a linking word in English. Is a linking word in Ėdo language. Keve is a linking word. So now GB is egbe or egbe. When you want to spell egbe now, it's EGBE. There is no diacritic in both E's. But when you are spelling egbe, very soon when we start the proper class, we're going to have the letters as our teaching apparatus, and we're going to have the diacritic to put at the bottom, so that you can be able to follow us. But that is the reason we have to register our kids to start from level 1. We start teaching them Ėdo Vowels, Ėdo ABD, then we'll go to consonants, we go to 2-letter words, just like you have in the Queen's Premier, right? We go to the 2-letter words. Arike, eni, na yeve vayagme, yakba, marike vani dolai, neboti singular, plural. Ma evyo miku eva mudia. I have your make way okpari omokpa ari mudia ona no mudia okpana or singular omoko no mudia eva oniga plural. So ni guys here tangbe a GB a GH then a consonant mame GB mame GH mame KH mame KP. The 5th one is MW. This 6th one is ROH, then the 7th one is RR, the 8th one is VB. So, Nania, Beni Mayate Egbe, Keve Egbe Ban, Only the ema we in the eva, ema viola than imaya we, imaya one. So, pa, de wena me e bena, ge ununo zedo, keve ebo no zedo, wena me bena, we are we chapter 2, ema yeje, chapter 2 ninya, consonants. Chapter 1, Ėdo Vowels, makawe, chapter 1, na mariye na. Chapter 2, that's a consonants. And the consonant already do, consonant already, letter H, letter K, they are consonants. But already do, a letter eva, a consonant. Already ma wada taba, and the no. A VB, no ro, I am moyuto. So it already GB, ne KH. Why can we give example with KH? Who ego. Ego, ege, GH, ego, IGHO, ego. Ego means money. Egbe ni makata bana is family. Egbe is body. We are adding at a KH. Example ni give you any oho. Oho is woman. Oho. Oho pa woman. Whereas onaga oho va, ogai oho va, odogai iho. Oni orido fi were re I ebe mi amia we voel oredo